Hey guys, I just want to post a quick video here. We recently picked up a Ferguson 3-point rake, hay rake, for $200. Wasn't too far away, and figured it'd be a fun project. So we got it back. It's covered in barnacles, hasn't been used in forever. It's got a few bearings out on its spiders, its stars there. So we're working on that and getting everything else kind of spiffed up. It also looks like someone hit it with a tree. I say this all the time. Someone hit it with a tree. Someone hit it on a tree or a fence post or something and mangled it. But whoever at the time was using it got it fixed somewhat decent. So only a few things we need to fix there. Um, the the pneumatic tires, they all hold air. They all the bearings in that regard seem good. We've put grease in everything. So hopefully this summer, if we can get this fixed up, you can get some footage of it out on different tractors. Back in the day, this was offered for the Ferguson tractor, which is a Category 1 3-point hitch. Ford tractors would be the same. And I use case tractors, particularly with Eagle Hitch, so it will work on that too. Eagle Hitch is essentially Category 1 3-point, but you don't see a lot of people using those on case tractors. So we're going to hopefully get that out. I've got a Farmall 55, which is a new tractor, which is Category 2, but with bushings can be Category 1. So we're just going to play around with it, get some footage of it out, trying it on different stuff, seeing how well it works. So with that, I will let you guys finish out the video here. It's obviously sped up, so there's not going to be any sound, but I hope you enjoy. Thank you.